Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a little adventure with a camera that's nearly 30 years old, the Konica Panorama Zoom. This camera holds a special place in my collection because I got it from a friend during the pandemic. And now, for the third time, I am bringing it out to shoot some film. To really match this nostalgic vibe of this camera, I decided to visit Kawagoe, a historic town in Japan known for its Edo period architecture and also old school charm. So let's explore Kawagoe and see how the Konica Panorama Zoom holds up.
Tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
Yang kemarin kita pernah makan, cuman biar
You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
bagusan saya ini ya.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
I ain't never felt the kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stare a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. And we can take our time, and we may change our mind. I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so restless in your sleep. I ain't going nowhere, always feels so very right. When you find good love, it's the one that you should keep. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. And we can take our time, and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. If I ever hurt you, dear, oh, I apologize. Heaven knows I'm no perfect man. I can't take another night without you by my side. Please come home as quickly as you can. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time, we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along.
Now, let's talk about how it feels to shoot with this camera. What I like is, it is fully automatic, which is great for beginners like me. I can just focus on framing and capturing the moment. The second one is the photo results are surprisingly sharp. There is a nice clarity to the images that I really enjoy. And what I don't like as much, it is a bit bulky for a compact camera. And also I noticed that the white balance can be off sometimes. Some of my photos came out warmer than I'd like. But overall, it's a fun little camera, especially if you enjoy vintage gear and just want to something simple to snap and shoot. That's it for today. Thanks for coming along on this film photo walk with the Konica Panorama Zoom. See you on the next video.